Hey, what's up? Hello everybody, it's Marissa here, and today I am sharing a college apartment tour. Even though I graduated in May, I've just been living in my college apartment in Bloomington, Indiana since our lease ends next week. So I thought I would film this now to share the space and give you a look into what college apartments are like. I didn't really clean up, so this is very realistic. But yeah, if you're looking to come to IU, I will put in details of where I've been living in the comments, as this will be posted after I've moved out. So let's see the apartment. Alright, so when you walk in, we have a little welcome mat, and then we have our, what do you even call this? Our wreath with Harry, of course, in the middle. Let's come in. A fun little overview. We barely have any light because there's no light fixture in that room. Also, this light has been out forever, so we don't have light from that. Anyways, so you walk in to the door and we have this fun little sign that if you hit the golden zone, then you're above 6 foot, and we have this in case men try to lie. Then we have our trash can, followed by what we call the COVID station. So this is hand sanitizer, a thermometer, and a mask. And then on this side we have our graduation sign, and I don't really know what's behind this door. I think it's a water heater maybe. And then in here we have our washer and dryer, which is so nice. I know what it's like not to have an in-unit washer and dryer, and I'm very thankful for it, and we'll miss it. Then we have our kitchen. So we have these bar stools on top of this rug, and I threw up on this rug one time, so it's a little gross over here, just don't look at it. And then we have our fridge. Here is me and my roomies, gotta love them. But yeah, we have honestly a ton of cabinet space, and we have like every appliance you could ever want. We have 3 different coffee makers and an air fryer, as well as like a microwave and an oven. So we have it all. We have some lovely dirty dishes. It's honestly not as bad as it could be. But yeah, this is the kitchen. And in case you want a snack, we have 2 peaches and an onion. So yeah. Then we have our kitchen table where we eat dinner. Just kidding, I think I've eaten dinner here like 3 times. We have a framed photo of Harry Styles. We actually have a bunch of pictures of Harry Styles like hidden all over the apartment. Wait. Exhibit A. Exhibit B. And then there's more of him, but I can't remember exactly where they all are. But we had a Harry Styles Christmas tree where instead of ornaments, we just had pictures of Harry Styles on the Christmas tree. So then we just had to repurpose them and hide them places. So that's the story on that. Most of this furniture came with the apartment because it is furnished. And this couch is literally like the most uncomfortable couch ever. I don't know why they gave it to us. Then we have this sign that I literally made a month ago. We need something new to put on it, but we're moving out in a week, so probably won't. Then we have this suspicious looking cactus. Comment below what you think it looks like. Just kidding, I don't want to be banned. And then this is the coolest thing in our apartment probably. If you put your hand under it, it will give you only 2. It'll give you some pistachios, and then you can eat them. And then we even have this little thing to put in the shells, so that's fun. All right, then we have this fun ladder that has our blankets. My roommate got it for free somewhere. We have a ton of games because we're really fun. And we have this jar that we put fun little memories in. This part is so cute. It is our bar cart area. And okay, I'm gonna put these pistachios here. Okay, I just spent like 5 minutes trying to turn that thing on, but I don't. The lights turn on somehow. We have a bunch of cute lights, so it turns on. I don't know how. And then, hello, we have this cute little mirror and my pistachios. And in this house, we are Oliver Winery stands, so that's mostly what we drink. Except over here, we only have one Oliver bottle for some reason. But yeah, this is our mini fridge where we keep the goods. And then these are deflated like things for the pool. And then we have this tree that is fake because, yeah, but we have these that are not fake. They're real. So that's cute. And then we have a futon and this cute little view of grass. Sometimes there's a deer in that little area though, so that's kind of fun. But yeah, that's the living room. I guess we also have this mirror, which is really hard to see yourself in. And then if you go over here, this is just like a coat closet. And then both of my roommates' rooms are over here. We have this mirror, which I always forget about because it's not by my room. And then I decorated this wall because it was my roommate's 22nd birthday, like literally in April, but it's still up. So that's fun. But yeah. All right, and then I guess I can show you my room. Are you guys interested in that? I don't know. This is my room. It's honestly very nice. I kind of love it. This is where I've been working from home and doing all my online classes. I have my crystal collection over here with essential oils because I am that girl. Over here we have my bed with the dying plant, and most notably is my stuffed hippopotamus. But yeah, the bed and the nightstand and the desk all came with the room furnished. And then I have my own bathroom, which is really nice. I'm gonna miss having my own bathroom. I don't even have my own bathroom at home. But yeah, it's huge. And then I also have my own walk-in closet, but it's a mess, so I'm not gonna show you it. That is the apartment. If you have any questions about where anything's from, let me know in the comments. But as I said, most of the furniture came with the place, so there's not really much to share. I just thought it'd be fun to show what the apartment looks like. Hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Comment below your requests for what you want to see from me. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.